Your company's intellectual property shouldn't be locked away in the minds of your staff, vulnerable to loss if they decide to move on. Yet, without a centralized system in place, that's exactly the risk you face. In the fast-paced world of small and medium businesses, every moment counts. But all too often, the daily grind leaves little time to focus on building the intellectual property that sets your company apart. At Intogreat Solutions, we understand the challenges you face, from the pressure to innovate to the risk of losing valuable intellectual property. The hurdles can seem insurmountable. Data silos, lack of visibility, the inefficient processes further compound these challenges, hindering your ability to compete in today's market. Intogreat Solutions is your partner in overcoming these challenges and unleashing the true potential of your business. Our team, led by our experienced business improvement manager, specializes in streamlining processes and implementing automation. Supported by our dedicated process excellence team, comprised of skilled analysts, developers, we're here to guide you on every step of the way on your journey to improvement. Let's hear directly from our business improvement manager as they share how Intogreat Solutions can transform your business for the better.
At Intogreat Solutions, we're dedicated to revolutionizing your business operations, and our comprehensive BI services are designed to do just that. In process optimization, we undertake an end-to-end analysis of your organization's current processes, identifying inefficiencies, duplication, and rework. Our analysis uncovers opportunities to transform processes, improving efficiency and effectiveness. In procedure development and writing, we develop and document procedures, creating how-to documents that accelerate new staff proficiency, enhance quality, and simplify roles. Standardized processes ensure consistent customer service across all staff. Now, in knowledge management, we maintain documents in a knowledge management platform, safeguarding your business intellectual property. We manage user access and licenses to ensure IP security. For customer journey mapping, we identify and implement customer experience improvement through journey mapping on client-facing processes. Understanding processes from the customer's perspective allows us to enhance their experience significantly. In process workflow, we establish streamlined task transitions for processes involving multiple stakeholders or teams. This ensures tasks reach the right stakeholders at the right time, minimizing gaps and establishing service-level agreements. For automation, once we've streamlined your processes and workflows, we're ready to take your efficiency to the next level through automation. By automating highly repetitive tasks, we eliminate manual labor and human error, paving way for significant scalability and efficiency gains. This means you can accomplish more in less time, allocate resources more effectively, and focus on what truly matters, which is growing your business. With transparent pricing and end-to-end project management, Intogreat Solutions takes care of heavy lifting. Our easy implementation process, involving simple video recordings turned into procedures, ensures an easy implementation for your team.
By implementing our process improvement strategies, we not only streamline and automate your processes, but also unlock these 6 benefits for your business. Reduce training time. New staff can hit the ground running with readily accessible documents within the system, slashing training time and boosting productivity. Speed to competency. With processes and procedures documented, staff achieve competency faster, driving performance and results. Easy access to business knowledge. Our bespoke system provides effortless access to your business knowledge, serving as a one-stop shop for all your operational needs. Single source of truth. Say goodbye to confusion and inconsistencies. Our system establishes a single source of truth for how things are done within your organization. Error reduction. Clear documentation of standard operating processes and procedures minimizes errors and rework, ensuring efficiency and quality. Intellectual property protection. Your company's intellectual property remains safeguarded, preserving knowledge and processes and procedures even as the staff come and go. Experience the power of Intogreat's business improvement solutions tailored to your needs. Take the leap to unlock invaluable insights and empower your journey to success. Contact us now.